Welcome back. Leadership is evolving rapidly in today's ever-changing landscape. Leaders are now expected to embrace new rules that reflect modern challenges and opportunities. These rules redefine what it means to lead effectively in a world driven by innovation, inclusivity, and adaptability. In this series, we'll explore the 5 new rules of leadership that are shaping the future. Agility, the ability to anticipate, adapt, and act decisively. Inclusivity, building diverse and equitable teams that thrive on varied perspectives. Technology integration, leveraging digital tools and data for informed decision-making. Well-being focus, prioritizing the mental health and overall well-being of teams. Hybrid leadership, balancing the dynamics of remote and in-person work environments. In this tutorial, we'll dive deeply into the first and arguably the most critical rule, agility. Agility can be considered the foundation that enables leaders to respond effectively to uncertainty, embrace opportunities, and inspire their teams to thrive amidst change. Let's begin by understanding what agility means in leadership and how it sets the tone for long-term success. Agility in leadership goes beyond reacting quickly. It's about anticipating challenges, embracing change, and creating opportunities in the face of uncertainty. Agility empowers leaders to remain effective in dynamic environments while maintaining a focus on strategic goals. To truly understand agility, let's differentiate it from 2 commonly associated traits, adaptability and flexibility. Agility, a forward-thinking capability that anticipates challenges and positions teams to act decisively. Example, a leader pivots their strategy to address market trends before competitors. Adaptability, the ability to adjust to changes after they occur, focusing on reacting effectively. Example, a leader reorganizes tasks after a sudden change in priorities. Flexibility, a mindset of openness, accommodating different methods or approaches to achieve goals. Example, a leader allows team members to explore various solutions to a problem. In essence, agility anticipates, adaptability adjusts, flexibility accommodates. Agility is the proactive ability that differentiates great leaders from the rest, enabling them to navigate complexity with confidence and foresight. Now, we need to know, how can a leader demonstrate agility? Agile leadership is not just about having a vision. It's about embodying actions and behaviors that align with agility. Here's how leaders can demonstrate agility. 1. Empowering teams. Trust your teams with decision-making authority, fostering ownership and accountability. Action. Delegate responsibilities and provide guidance rather than micromanaging. Outcome-oriented thinking. 2. Focus on results rather than rigid processes, allowing flexibility in how goals are achieved. Action. Reassess goals during check-ins and pivot strategies if necessary. Continuous learning. 3. Embrace learning as an ongoing process for yourself and your team. Action. Attend workshops or invite external experts to share insights with the team. 4. Quick decision-making. Make informed decisions under pressure, balancing risks and rewards effectively. Action. Use data-driven insights to evaluate options quickly and confidently. 5. Fostering collaboration. Promote open communication and teamwork to address challenges collectively. Action. Implement regular brainstorming sessions to ensure alignment. Generally, there are 5 key strategies to bring agility into practice. 1. Build a culture of resilience. Resilient teams are the backbone of agility. Foster an environment where challenges are seen as opportunities for growth. Example, recognize and celebrate team efforts even when the outcome isn't perfect, reinforcing a growth mindset. 2. Leverage data for proactive decisions. Utilize data analytics to predict trends and make proactive decisions. Example: analyze employee performance data to identify potential skill gaps and address them through training. 3. Prioritize effective communication. Clear communication is essential for agility. Regular updates and transparent discussions ensure everyone is aligned. Example: schedule weekly check-ins to reassess priorities and ensure team alignment. 4. Encourage innovation and experimentation. Agility thrives on creativity. Encourage your team to test new ideas without fear of failure. Example: pilot a new workflow and evaluate its impact before scaling it across departments. 5. Stay open to feedback. Agile leaders listen to feedback from their teams and use it to refine their strategies. Example: conduct anonymous surveys to gather input on leadership effectiveness and team dynamics. Now, let's bridge the gap between theory and practice to understand more how agility will look like in action. Case study 1. Navigating a sudden market shift. In this case study, the scenario is: a mid-sized manufacturing company relies heavily on a single product line that has been consistently profitable. However, new regulations and changing customer preferences lead to a sharp decline in demand. Competitors quickly capitalize on the situation by launching innovative alternatives, leaving the company struggling to maintain its market position. What an agile leader would do differently. Rather than reacting defensively or clinging to the existing product line, the agile leader immediately convenes a cross-functional team to analyze the market shift. They focus on exploring adjacent opportunities that align with emerging trends. For example, the leader encourages the team to develop an environmentally friendly product that meets the new regulatory standards and addresses customer demands for sustainability. To showcase agility, the leader transparently communicates with employees about the challenges and outlines the steps being taken to pivot, empowers department heads to lead brainstorming sessions and execute the pilot project for the new product, monitors the pilot's performance closely, and adjusts based on early feedback. How this demonstrates agility. The leader adapts to external changes by fostering innovation and ensuring the company responds quickly to market dynamics. This approach not only mitigates immediate risks, but positions the company as a forward-thinking player in the industry. Case study 2. Addressing team burnout during a major project. In this case study, the scenario is: a software development company is working on a high-profile project with tight deadlines. The team is overwhelmed by long hours and constant pressure, leading to visible signs of burnout. Some employees express concerns, but the project manager hesitates to adjust timelines, fearing backlash from the client. What an agile leader would do differently. Recognizing the critical balance between employee well-being and project success, the agile leader steps in to reassess the situation. They consult with key stakeholders, including the client, and negotiate a revised timeline to prioritize quality over speed. To further demonstrate agility, the leader breaks the project into smaller sprints, enabling the team to achieve incremental goals while reducing stress. Provides immediate support, such as reallocating resources or hiring temporary staff to ease the workload. Holds a team meeting to reaffirm the project's purpose, boosting morale and reinforcing a culture of collaboration. How this demonstrates agility? By actively addressing burnout and listening to employee feedback, the leader adapts their approach to protect the team's productivity and mental health. This ensures the project remains on track while fostering trust and commitment within the team. Case study 3. Adapting to technological disruption. In this case study, the scenario is: a long-established retail chain faces declining sales as consumers shift toward online shopping. Competitors with advanced e-commerce capabilities are gaining market share, leaving the company struggling to stay relevant in a rapidly digitizing industry. What an Agile leader would do differently. The Agile leader recognizes the urgency of digital transformation and acts decisively. Instead of taking incremental steps, they launch an ambitious plan to integrate e-commerce capabilities within a short time frame. They involve technology vendors and internal teams to roll out an intuitive online platform while maintaining seamless in-store operations. To demonstrate agility, the leader engages employees at all levels to align them with the vision for digital transformation, addressing concerns and resistance proactively. Pilots the e-commerce platform in select regions, gathering insights to refine the approach before scaling up. Leverages customer feedback and data analytics to optimize the user experience both online and in-store. How this demonstrates agility. By pivoting swiftly and incorporating feedback throughout the process, the leader ensures the company remains competitive. Their actions not only stabilize revenue, but also establish a foundation for long-term growth in a digital-first market. These case studies highlight how Agile leaders respond proactively to challenges, embrace innovation, and empower their teams to navigate uncertainty effectively. Agility is not just about reacting to change, it's about anticipating it and positioning the organization to thrive. Agility is the cornerstone of modern leadership, setting the foundation for success in an ever-changing world. By embracing proactive strategies, fostering a culture of collaboration, and demonstrating resilience, leaders can turn uncertainty into opportunity. In this tutorial, we've explored the meaning of agility, its distinction from other traits, and actionable ways to practice it effectively. As we move forward in this series, we'll explore the other new rules of leadership and how they complement agility to create a holistic leadership approach.